Unit 1, Section 9.3, Worked Examples. Assume that Sunday is represented by day 0, Monday by day 1, and so forth. If today is Wednesday, day 3, determine the day of the week it will be at the end of 180 days. Assume no leap years. We'll do this problem by dividing 180 by the modulus, which is 7, and we get 25 remainder 5. So it will be 5 days ahead of Wednesday, so it will be a Monday. Consider 12 months to be a modulo 12 system. If it is currently March, determine the month it will be in 86 months. Divide 86 by 12, we get 86 divided by 12 is 7 remainder 2, so it will be 2 months ahead of March and it will be May. Determine what number the product is congruent to in mod 3 system. So go ahead and multiply the 5 by 4 to get a 20. Divide 20 by 3 and you get 6 remainder 2. So 5 times 4 is equivalent to 2 mod 3. Find the modulo class to which the number belongs for the indicated modulo system. Divide 57 by 6. You get 9 remainder 3, so 57 is congruent with 3 modulo 6. Determine all positive number replacements less than the modulus for the question mark that make the statement true. 5 plus what number is equivalent to 4 in the modulo 7 system? So let's think about the modulo 7 system and the numbers that will give us a remainder of 4 when divided by 7. So 11 divided by 7 would give me 1 remainder 4. 18 divided by 7 would give me 2 remainder 4, etc. If we add 6 to 5, we get 11, so that would work. If we add 13 to 5, we would get 18, but 13 is greater than the modulus, so we can't use it. So the answer here we're going to come up with is going to be 6. Now another way to look at it is you could write out possible answers like this. 5 plus 0 equals 5 modulo 7. 5 plus 1 equals 6 modulo 7. 5 plus 2 gives me 7, and again, if I divide by 7, I get 0 modulo 7. 5 plus 3 would give me 8. 8 divided by 7 leaves a remainder of 1, and so forth until I get down to 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, divided by 7 gives me the remainder of 4, which is what I was looking for. So either way, shown here will help you get the answer for this type of a problem. Jaleel is a golf pro who works at 2 different golf courses. His schedule is to work at Longboat Key Golf Course for 3 days, then at the Meadows Golf Course for 4 days, and then rest for 2 days. He then repeats the cycle. If Jaleel is currently on the 3rd day of work at the Meadows, determine what he will be doing 35 days from now, 102 days from now, and 376 days from today. So his work schedule is actually a modulus 9 system. So he's at Longboat Key for 3 days, the Meadows for 4, that gives me 7, and then 2 days of rest. So I've written it out here so you can see what his schedule looks like. And I highlighted where he is right now. He's on the 3rd day of working at the Meadows. So where will he be in 35 days? So we take 35 and divide by 9, and we get 3 remainder 8. So if we count ahead from where he is now on the 3rd day at Meadows, and we count ahead 8, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we end up again at the Meadows. So he'll be working at the Meadows again. Meadows. And the way I did that was I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it took me into Meadows again. And 102 days from today, divide 102 by 9, and I get 11 remainder 3. So if I count ahead from where he is today on the 3rd day of working at Meadows, in this case, he'll be resting. It'll be a rest day. Rest day. And then finally, 376 days from here, a little bit more than a year, divided by 9, and I get 41 remainder 7. And if I count ahead 7, he'll also be working again at the Meadows.